This is an unboxing of the ThinkPad X1 Yoga 3rd generation. First impressions, this is the entire package, 3.3 kilograms, so just over 7 pounds. We finally got this box open. Let's see what's inside. Styrofoam packing material, pull that off. Won't be needing that. If you've watched any other unboxing videos, this box should be rather familiar at this point. It is a nice packing experience. Inside, of course, is the actual laptop. Box here containing manuals and such. Clearly the packing material here is to help, or the way it's packed is helping to protect the laptop during shipping. Here is the power brick. This is a USB-C Thunderbolt 3 device. And that appears to be it. The rest of the box is glued in place. I wonder if this is supposed to be reminiscent of the Wave keyboard that raises and lowers. I actually thought that box was attractive as far as packing materials go. So this is the first time I have actually ever held this device. I know it's blasphemy to buy a silver, not the black ThinkPad.